Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix music fail to play tracks error on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again, tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down, and search music app from here. Search music and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache music app. After clear cache music app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix music fail to play trackers error on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.